Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal. I've thrown a few pieces in this deal, which like that piece. Got a fine vein, but whether you'll be able to cut anything out. This piece I don't think's got anything much in it. Little vein there on the end. Again, this one's a little stone. You'd probably be able to chase that vein perhaps. Basically they're all free, so is this. Priced it on just half a dozen pieces. That piece needs the top finishing off. That piece is what you see is what you're going to get. I think I've put that up. Little fine vein on the top there, might get a little stone. Another little stone. That brown might come off there. Lucky last, just another bit of lower grade material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.